What's up, y'all? It's Marco. I'm co-roaster and head of coffee operations at Public Square Coffee, here today to teach you how to brew on our flower dripper. So the reason why we use the flower dripper is because it still maintains a lot of that body that we like, while still holding a lot of clarity and bringing out still those fruity and floral notes. So let's get to it. Today we are brewing our Ethiopia blend. It is a two-part Ethiopia containing Sidamo and Yirgacheffe, both washed coffees. This coffee is really good and a classic for most people. It still has a lot of that fruitiness that we like in Ethiopia's, but holds a lot of body and in my opinion has a little bit of an undertone of chocolate, which is why I think it's appealing to a lot of people. So let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is saturate our filter. So make sure we get it all nice and wet and also warming up our equipment. All right, so today we are dosing 20 grams of coffee. So you wanna make sure you center that and get a nice flat bed. Perfect. Once you're at 20 grams, we are gonna start with a 50-gram bloom. So you wanna make sure you're hitting right in the middle and saturating all the ground so everything gets nice and wet. Once we're at 50 grams, we are gonna agitate. Be careful not to hit too much of the sides, but you still wanna make sure all the grounds get hit with water. Just like that. Perfect. And at 30 seconds, we will start our first pour and we will be pouring to 200 grams. And we are using the Melodrip today. The reason we use the Melodrip, it allows for an even extraction, doesn't agitate the bed too much, and leads to a more consistent brew. Once we're at 200 grams, we will agitate just the top of our bed. Make sure you don't hit the grounds. The reason we're doing this is just kind of initiating brew. All right, so at 1 minute and 45 seconds, we'll start our second and last pour. Still maintaining the same speed of pour, making sure we hit all parts of the bed. Once we're at 320, we'll go ahead and stop our pour and make sure you tap the brewer. So by tap, all we're looking for is a light pickup and drop. And the reason we do that is to make sure we have a nice even bed. All right, and as our bed is draining, we're looking for a nice flat dry bed. We don't want to see any muddiness. And our finished brew time should be around 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Now once that's all done brewing, got a nice full-bodied, still maintaining a little bit of those fruity notes that we like in our coffee, especially for an Ethiopia blend. And this is perfect for any kind of coffee drinker. I'd recommend maybe someone with a little bit more experience, but it's still not too extreme for any novice coffee drinkers. So let's see how it tastes. It's really good.